Let's try a few more of these evaluation of expression problems. We'll always keep PEMDAS in the back of our minds. Do grouping symbols first, then exponents. Take care of multiply and divide, then add and subtract. Now these problems are a little more challenging. We'll have to be careful. Number 6 says x to the 5th power plus y minus z. Y minus z. That's a lot of parentheses. X is 2. Y is 5. Z is 3. Now let's think PEMDAS. I see an exponent, addition, subtraction, and a grouping symbol, the parentheses. I know the parentheses have to happen first. The grouping symbol has to happen first. Let's work in this grouping symbol where I have 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then I'll copy the rest, which is 2 to the 5th power. Now I have an exponent. Let's take care of 2 to the 5th power. 2 to the 5th power means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I can do that in my head. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. We save the addition for last. 32 plus 2, that's 34. Here's just how I want you to show your work. Copy down the problem, plug in for the variables, evaluate. Let's try number 7. It's a fraction with a 3 in the bottom and 6 plus 2z in the top. I know that z's in these problems are 3's. We'll plug in a 3. Now the division bar also acts like a grouping symbol. There's a top group and a bottom group. There's nothing to do in the bottom group, so we'll just copy the 3. In the top, we have addition and multiplication. Think PEMDAS. Addition and multiplication, the multiplication has to happen first. Multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Copy the 6 here. Let's finish the top. The top is 6 plus 6. That's 12. The bottom is 3. Finally, now we'll go 12 divided by 3 is 4. And circle that final answer. For number 8, 2y squared minus 4y plus 3. Everywhere there's a y, a set of parentheses, and the y's all become 5's. Now there's a lot going on. Multiply, exponent, subtract, multiply, add. I know exponents happen before multiply, subtract, or add. Let's do the exponent first. 5 to the 2nd power. 5 times 5 is 25. Copy, copy, and copy. Now I've got multiply, multiply, subtract, and add. Multiplication happens before add or subtract. Let's do all the multiplications. 2 times 25 is 50. 4 times 5 is 20. Copy the minus. And copy the plus 3. Now, if all I have left is add and subtract, you must go left to right. Don't put the 20 and the 3 together. You must go left to right. It's 50 minus 20 is 30. And 30 plus 3 is 33. Beautiful. Last problem. We have a big set of parentheses squared inside x times z plus 2. where the x's are 2's and the z's are 3's. Now I've got multiply, add, an exponent, and a big set of parentheses. Think PEMDAS. The parentheses have to happen first. Let's work inside of these parentheses. Inside of the parentheses, I have multiply and add. Multiplication happens before addition. 2 times 3 is 6. Copy. Let's stay in the parentheses. 6 plus 2, that's 8. Now all that's left is to take 8 to the second power. 8 times 8, that's 64. All right, do a great job on homework. I'll see you later on today.